Okay, we're back and I've got my big old bucket of buttercream here. And I always start with just putting some on the top. Of course, if you use any kind of simple syrup or anything on your cakes, you would do that before applying the buttercream. And I like to just kind of push it all the way over so it starts coming down the sides. And then start coming down the sides here. Always make sure you put plenty of buttercream on first. We're going to end up taking some of it off. So if you were doing, this is the quarter sheet, if you were doing a half sheet, you would cut it down the same way. You would just need to place it on a full sheet board to get it on there. Okay, so this is the trickiest part right in here, in the sleeve here. Again, just make sure you put plenty on. Okay, so when you get to this point, this is where I take the metal scraper that I have, and I just start this, come all the way around. Notice whenever I remove this, I go ahead and scrape off the excess. Then here I'll come down this way. Now I can see a little bit of the cake right there, so I don't have enough icing there. I need to apply a little bit more. Okay, and then I'll go back. So it's hard to get in, so notice I have to turn this the opposite direction and pull this way and then this way. And here goes straight down around the corner. Okay, so right in there, see I've actually taken a little bit too much off. Okay, and then the top, pull in from the sides, from the bottom. So I get it just to this stage, and then what we're going to do is we're going to pop it in the freezer until the buttercream's set, which will probably be about 20 minutes. And then I'll pull it out and I'll show you how to smooth the rest of it. Okay, so you can, before you pop it in, remove the excess icing from around the base. Okay, so I'll pop it in the freezer and we'll be back in 20 minutes.